All right, YouTube. We're back. We're back. All right, YouTube.
All right, YouTube.
All right, YouTube.
Okay, YouTube, we're back at it.
Did you know John Cena turned heel? Which is like a bad guy. He was a good guy, but now he's a bad guy for his last year of WWE wrestling. Bad guy John Cena. Hell yeah, brother. Cool. Oh, my nuts. Oh, my nuts. Oh. 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 Oh, fuck. Alright. Did I get that? Yeah, I got that. My nuts feel like they're in my body now. How fucking the whole mount came off.
Right, YouTube. That about does it for the 2026 season. We'll see you guys next year. Oh, God. See you guys next year at the CMMX round 1. Ooh, wait, let's see what he's got to say.
Yeah, that was nothing.
kind of boring, if I'm being honest. Kind of slow. Sick.
So
See you
sick.
next year, YouTube. That one felt sick, dude.